Hello fellow humans, welcome back to my beginner Java tutorial. In this episode, we are going to be covering variables. A variable allows you to store data that you can retrieve for any purpose in the rest of your code. For example, if you set your score variable to a value of 5, and then later on in your code, print the score variable, it will print 5. There are 4 types of variables we will cover today: string, int, double, and boolean. A string variable contains text, an int variable contains numbers, a double variable contains numbers with a decimal, and boolean variables contains either true or false. To create a variable, type the variable type, in this case I'll make an int, then type the variable name, I'll name it score, then an equal sign, and then the variable's value, in this case 5, and then add a semicolon. Now if we type in system.out.println parentheses, then the variable name, so in this case score, and then a semicolon, and we run our code, you can see that it says 5 in the console. Creating other variable types are quite similar. If you want to make a double, just do the same process as before, but add a decimal. To make a boolean, just do the same process, but write true or false. To create a string, do the same process as before, but put the string's value in quotation marks. Now let's say we have a score variable, which is an int with a value of 5. But now our score went up, so we want to change the variable's value to 6. Well, this is very easy to do. There are 2 ways of doing this. We can type the variable name ++ and then the semicolon. This will increase the variable's value by 1. You can also do the same thing, but with a minus to decrease it by 1. If you want to edit more than one at a time, you can type the variable's name equals the variable's name plus or minus any number. So if you type in score equals score plus 40, our score will increase by 40. We can also type the variable name equals and then a value, so for example score equals 100, and then our score will instantly equal 100. Variables are extremely important, and almost every Java application uses variables, so it's very useful to know how to create and modify them. Thanks for watching part 2 of my Java tutorial. In the next episode, we are going to be covering statements. If you learned something, make sure to like and subscribe. If you need additional help, join my Discord, and I will try my best to help you there.